Yo, what up? Yeah, I'm chilling too, man. Yo, you ready to meet up? Yeah, you already know, he on the way.
I leave the blood spilling in the street. I leave the blood spilling in the street.
Yeah, it's the fucking hologram. Jedi mind, baby. Banging y'all in the fucking face. Know what I'm saying? With the God just I love. My man Stu on the track. My motherfucking man cheeking this motherfucker. We about to take y'all motherfuckers to war. You know what I'm saying? Yo, just I love. Blow this fucking mic apart.
The metal inside the barrel passes through the frames in your glasses. Quick passage, leave your dome piece backless. Envision blackness, leave the hatless, fucking catless. Watching niggas to the spot where the earth's crack is. Hard to grasp like science and math is. The cavemen who don't practice and live backwards. We oxen, when streets is watching, release shotguns. Niggas got decent Watson. Feel no love, no way you shield the slugs. The ill thugs, we box with steel gloves. Doubt my faith, you can taste the slug case. Leaving niggas looking like dogs with the bug face. Even your girl can catch the capsule. I love pussy, but never the bitch that it's attached to.
I leave the blood spilling in the street.
Why you wanna battle with kids with stale tongues who rip up mics and drink quarter rock rum? 85 space, the truth, you're too dumb. If retaliation come, yo then fuck it, it just come. Why you wanna battle with kids with stale tongues who rip up mics and drink quarter rock rum?
For press use only, Baby Grand Records.
If retaliation come, yo then fuck it, it just come. We itching to kill, that's why we spit in the rail. Stick to the drill, and maybe we'll be gripping the mail. The clip will get spilled, dump him on a ditch or a hill. Cause the motherfucker ain't left me shit in his will. And y'all is always sounding like a bitch when you spill. And we the rawest motherfucking click in the film. So real motherfuckers better recognize real, or ill motherfuckers gonna exercise skill. Y'all better chill when the hologram bell. Lil motherfucker got hands that's like steel. Whoever approach me and what I feel
Might find their legs being replaced by steel.
so y'all better yell, or I'ma choke faggots. My hand held more razor blades than coke addicts. We like to quote fascists, cause we the meanest, and rip off your fingers with the pliers of Chocodemus. Why you wanna battle with kids with stale tongues who rip up mics and drink quarter rock rum? 85 states, the truth, you're too dumb. If retaliation come, yo then fuck it, it just come. Why you wanna battle with kids with stale tongues who rip up mics and drink quarter rock rum? 85 states, the truth, you're too dumb. If retaliation come, yo then fuck it, it just come. Yeah, Jedi mind, baby. And a down Shambhala, baby. Nah, I'm saying I'm on the hologram.
Yo, you got the stuff?
Yeah, I got it.
I don't want nobody else to ever love me. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love that There's not a minute, hour, day